Let's go ahead and install the softwares that would be needed for learning Tailwind CSS. Go to Google and type Visual Studio Code. Click on the first link and you should be able to see this download button. From here you can choose the operating system for which you want to download. Click on download and it will download an exe file. You can go ahead and double click on it to install that in your computer. So this is going to be our code editor where we will write the code. Next thing we would need is Node.js. So again on Google you can type Node.js download and go to this and download the long-term support or LTS version or this one. I would suggest to go ahead and download the LTS one, which is long-term stable or supported version. And once this gets downloaded, you can go ahead and click on it and just install it by clicking next, finish. After you have installed this, you have to go ahead and check whether it installed successfully or not. So go to command prompt and type node -v. It should give you a version. For me, it's 18 version. That's good enough, but you can go ahead with this latest one. There will not be any problem. Similarly, for the VS Code, once you have installed it, you can search for Visual Studio Code and click on it to open. So in the next video, we will open our VS Code editor and create a folder in our computer where we would like to store the code and open that in VS Code editor. So let's go ahead and do that in the next video. Thank you.